Hello guys, good day and welcome to another monthly catch up, section 10. So I'm doing this video now like ASAP, and I'm going to do it today. Try to edit it today and upload it maybe by midnight or tomorrow, by midnight or tomorrow morning, because the section 8, I don't know how come I lose it, and its content is related to what you guys watched last month with what we did this month, and I don't know how I lose it. It gets corrupt and everything was just formatted and deleted. But what I'll be showing you this week is we are making this particular bag, this type of bag. Before you watch this bag, it's going to take long before you see when we make this particular one, before you see this one. So probably you have watched everything before you now see when we make this particular one. So I have few on the decks there. All the face and the back are on the deck there, and this is the taping for the bag. So right now I will be working on the bag, and once I finish it I will let you guys see. But I will be doing time lapse so that you guys can be carried along, watch everything. I don't know if everything can be up to like 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes or close to 20 minutes, so you guys will learn from it and everything. The way we've been producing is because I don't know how come I lose my contents. It has happened before, but in few years this is the first time again. I used to keep my content very safe, but it's not as if maybe I just lose it or I don't know where I save it, it gets corrupted and things happen that way. So guys, enough talking. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are very good. Okay, for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. Click the subscription button here. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, how you enjoyed our video, or what you would like to see on this channel. Share this video with people it might be of help to them, people that want to learn bag making and don't know how to go about it. You can share this video with them, for them to start and learn from this particular video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Give this video a giant thumbs up, and keep watching. And for those of you who are also interested in learning online bag making and physical, everything is still intact, but now we are trying to reorganize it to make it more easy and more affordable for the way things, the economic is now all over the world. But you can see it's possible you see the same package or with different prices. It's not the same. Some are much more details than the other. I hope you guys understand what it means. So we are trying to make things easy for you guys. So enough talking, let me show you a little bit of the process of what I've done so far, then I will continue with the rest and you guys will learn from it. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for seeing my beautiful face, my handsome face, and I will see you guys at the continuation of the monthly catch up. Thank you guys for being here. So showing you what we have been doing. This a crossbody bag we are making. As you guys can see, this is the interface we are using, fiance, and this is the front, and with this monogram, which is the embroidery right up. And we are using ashoke fabrics. We are using a brown velvet lining. So we have a lot of the bag, few color. I think they are up to 8 different color. So this is it here. Then talking about the taping I'll be using, and these are all the side. Everything is done. I started this few days ago, so since I lost my content, I lose it few days ago. I know about it, but instead of me to start, I say okay, when it comes I will just do a sit down video, maybe a live to cover for it. But at the end of the day, there's work for me to do. I won't be able to do that. That's why I just picked this right now that I'm going to film this today, because I think today is 5th, and normally I upload my monthly catch up by 5th of every month. So I will see what I can do from now till evening, then maybe edit it within 2 or 3 hours, then start the uploading process, whichever way it goes. So right now you guys will start watching time lapse and see and learn from everything. Thank you guys for being here, and I do appreciate those of you who have like our video, subscribe to the channel, always leave in the comment section, and those of you who have reached out to me through my WhatsApp, and please make sure to follow our Instagram. The link is on this site. As you guys can see, follow the Instagram, you can see Delight Bag Collection, Okin Luxury, and School of Bag Making. All that is our three Instagram. The Delight Bag Collection is this particular company that manufacturer for private label manufacturer for ourselves. Okin Luxury is the main collection where our actual manufacturer items, our fashion items are sold. Then the School of Bag Making is where our training and all our online training is being done. But actually, if you check the School of Bag Making, we are not too active there, but when you message us, we try to respond as soon as possible. The Light Bag Collection is the one that with the most activeness, and Okin Luxury. But with time, everything will be put in place. But you can follow us on the three and engage with us. Please make sure to follow our Instagram handle. We really appreciate you guys, and I will continue with my work now and see you guys later. So guys, this is what I've done so far. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are looking more beautiful. I still have few of them to finish up, but you see guys, I stopped the time lapse because I went on a break, and when I come back I just finished this particular one. Okay, I think I just finished this one and this. I did these three before going on a break. So right now we'll continue with the time lapse, so you guys will watch this a little bit. Just stay tuned. Once we finish, then I will come back to talk to you guys and see what we can discuss a little bit. I still have some projects to make. I have some cap to make. I don't know if I will be able to make them today and show you guys, since I want to make this today and upload, edit and upload today. So let's see how it goes. Finger crossed. Let's proceed. So guys, as you can see, we are done with what we are doing. This is the cap I was saying I was going to make, but they just called me. Now I'm going out. Probably I'll not be doing this. We just end it where we've made all this one. You guys have at least watched and learned a little bit from this. You see the way I assemble it and the taping, and as you can see, they are all beautiful. All these bags are all available for immediate delivery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the ninth one. They are all beautiful at a very reasonable price. So thank you guys for watching this monthly catch up. By next month we'll see you with the continuation of what we have been up to so far. Not this particular one. There's a project we already have for next month. So this month is because our video got corrupted. That's why we just decided to do this. You know, I always said in the video that it's not everything we do at the shop that we get time to film. We just film a little bit. I don't think it's even up to 30% of the activities we do here that we film. Sometimes we just do things we don't even have the picture to talk about. So we just try our best to film a little bit to show you guys what we have been up to and so few of you will learn from it. So that is it so far. I think do I need to show you more of the bag? This is it. Okay, I can give you like the hints of the making of the bag. So this is it here. As you can see, the height is 7.5, the length is 10, wide the side is 4, but the zip part is a little bit tricky. It's 14, which is the top, the side top, and the side right, the top and the side left. It's 14, which is the zip. By each zip part is 2. Well, sometimes you cut it, it won't be up to 2. You have to reduce it a little bit because of that zip head that is going to be in between. So that is that. And the side right, bottom, side left is 18, while the back zip it's 8. So the opening is 7. From the top to where the zip will start is 2 inch. Then in between the zip is just I think 2 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter. So that is it. And the long strap is 56. Yeah, 56. So you cut 3 inch for this side where the squaring is going to be, not the adjuster, just the squaring, just like something like this. This is what I was talking about. So you, from the 56 you cut 3 inch out of this area, you have 53 left. Everything will be 53. Long strap for the crossbody to carry on the shoulder. So that is it for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the next month catch up. Stay tuned, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share this video with people who might be of help to them. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this bag, or if you have any questions regarding them. And follow all our Instagram. As you can see, this is the light bag collection, this is Okin Luxury, and this is School of Bag Making. So from there you get to see most of these items on our Instagram. Please follow the Instagram, also subscribe to the channel. And for those of you who are still interested in the online training, it's pretty much available. You can chat with me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. So from there you can also get the link to the store where you can just easily pay and get your class sent to you as soon as you want it. Thank you guys for being here, and don't forget, the class is not just for people in Africa, it's all over. Even if you don't speak this language, it's easy for you to translate it so you understand what it's being shown on the class. But we make the class in English just the way I speak, but a little bit more fluent for you to understand, and when you listen to it, you understand more of how we speak or what we are trying to explain. So guys, enough talking. I will see you at the continuation next month.